Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another self-care series. Today we are going to be working on a beauty potion, which I have already made. So we'll go ahead and go over some of our ingredients we'll need for the workshop, and then we'll go ahead and get started with our demonstration. In order to make your beauty potion, you need 4 ingredients. The first is going to be glycerin. You have aloe vera gel, rose water, and then you can use one of 3 different types of oils. You can use olive oil, jojoba oil, or almond oil. It is really your choice and your preference. And then you also need some type of mixing bowl as well, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, and because we are going to be packaging it in this small bottle, I also have a tiny little funnel that we'll be using too as well. To start off, everyone, we are going to mix the aloe vera gel with the glycerin. So using a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, we're going to do half a teaspoon. You're going to go ahead and get your aloe vera gel. And if the gel itself is going to be a little bit difficult to squeeze out, so you may need 2 hands. And you're going to go ahead and measure out a half a teaspoon. And once you've done that, you're going to get your glycerin and measure out half a teaspoon as well. And you go ahead and combine both of these ingredients until you get a nice smooth paste. Alright, and once you've got your paste, you're going to go ahead and add your oil. My previous beauty potion, I went ahead and used almond oil. For this one, we're going to go ahead and use jojoba. And for your oil, you go ahead and add half a teaspoon as well. And at the same time, you're going to go ahead and add your rose water. And with your rose water, you go ahead and add 3 tablespoons. And once you've added both the oil as well as your rose water, all you have to do is just go ahead and give it a nice good mix again. Make sure that the ingredients are somewhat mixed in together. Because we have a lot of gels and the glycerin as well, it's not going to mix well with the rose water, but try your best to incorporate the ingredients together. And once you combine the ingredients as best as you can, for packaging we have a tiny glass bottle as well as a funnel. Just go ahead and get your mixing bowl. Slowly but surely add it into the bottle itself. And there we have it. Once you're done, in order to use it, you're gonna go ahead and give your bottle a nice shake. And then go ahead and add some to your hand. not a whole lot, roughly about a pea size amount, and then you're gonna go ahead and massage this into your skin. We're gonna use this on our face and as well as our neck, but you can also use it on your hands. And the benefits of this beauty potion is that it's quick absorbing, it is light. Once you've used it, it gives you a nice glow. The rose water itself refreshes your skin. The oil moisturizes your skin. Your skin itself is going to feel softer after you use it. And then the beauty potions itself are free of any harsh chemicals that are detrimental to your skin health. And the great thing about this is that you can experiment with different variations. So on our first one we made before I did this workshop, I used the almond oil. And then the one we did just a while ago, I used jojoba oil. So you can substitute any ingredients. Make sure you do a little bit of your research. But again, we have our beauty potion. Thank you very much for joining me on today's self-care series episode. We worked on this beauty potion right here, which contains rose water, some jojoba oil, glycerin, and aloe vera gel. As I mentioned previously, it is very lightweight, free of very harsh chemicals that is very detrimental to your overall skin health. You can use it on your face, your neck. I used it on my hands in our demonstration. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to all of our social media accounts. We have everything from Facebook to Instagram as well as YouTube, and many more. We also have a newsletter, and then I'll go ahead and put the written instructions and ingredients in the video description below. But if you have any questions, put them in the comments or give us a call. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.